Hello, trading is closed on the 21st of September 2015. I'm Jeffrey Tennant. I said over the weekend I felt Friday's action was quite negative, and that even though there was nothing requiring targets in the 1940s to print Monday, I thought they would unless we gapped up and promptly took out this high. Well, we gapped up. I can't call this really prompt, so it didn't happen exactly as I thought it would happen. But I do have a standard rule that says if we gap strongly in the undesired direction, that the call is pretty much dead from the open. So even had these prices printed, I wouldn't have gotten any credit. The higher price actually did print in futures. The overnight low was 1938.50, and the futures trade around the 10-handle discount, so that hit it pretty much on the head. But of course, futures don't count. These numbers remain active. During the day, early on, MEJT said ultimately higher prices would print and lower prices would print, which they did, and it gave a buy signal in the afternoon, which has already panned out. I'll get rid of that later. Notice that the rally here stopped right at a MEJT resistance level, and that the late rally towards the end of the day is also at a MEJT resistance level. It really is not good when you have a gap up, hit a higher high, overtake the previous high, and then can't even hold not only these highs, but can't hold on to these lows. It's a negative pattern and should lead to a drop tomorrow unless it's invalidated by promptly taking out these highs, ideally by having a gap over them. It isn't impossible, but let's recall we had a strong reversal Thursday, a high volume drop on Friday, and a low volume rally today. Note also that the rally stopped right at a Fibonacci retracement level. So every time the market runs into resistance, whether from this or MEJT, it can't overcome it. What's particularly going to be a hard wall to climb is that after the rally today, we couldn't overcome any of these highs. We had a strong reversal Thursday and Friday. None of these highs held, and the reasonable rally today couldn't overcome those highs. All in all, I look for significantly lower prices. I think they'll start tomorrow unless it's negated by early action of promptly taking out these highs. There's nothing new from the MEJT system for tomorrow, though, and that's today's call.